Tundra's tips for the best snow day. Hello everyone, I'm Tundra, and I'm here to give you some tips for the best snow day ever. Tip number 1, find a good hill. Sledding is one of the most fun things you can do on a snowy day. Look for a hill that's not too steep and has a clear path to the bottom.
This is so much fun.
Tip number 2, build a snowman. There's nothing like building a snowman to get you into the winter spirit. Make sure you have enough snow and some accessories like a carrot for the nose and rocks for the eyes. See, it's easy. Tip number 3, go ice skating. If you have a frozen pond or a nearby ice rink, grab some skates and hit the ice.
Oops.
Don't forget to wear a helmet and some warm clothes. Tip number 4, have a winter picnic. Pack some hot cocoa, sandwiches, and snacks and enjoy them outside.
This hot cocoa is delicious.
Tip number 5, have fun with your friends. Snow days are a great opportunity to spend time with your friends and make memories that will last a lifetime. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and stay safe. Until next time, I'm Tundra, and I hope you have the best snow day ever.